guys, welcome to Kolsai Mountain. So we are here now in the mountain resort. See guys, however still Christmas though. You can collect your Christmas trees here if you want to. This is a live one. See, look at those pine trees. Look at the scenery, guys. Mountains covered with snow. That's easy, guys. She has our food, our adobong baboy and rice. So we'll just wait for Kenji to arrive. But the thing is, we cannot wait for him. We will eat na. Kay gutom naman ay. Look at the guys. Look at guys. And that is Tita and Che, the mother and daughter tandem. Ooh. A wonderful place, but it's too cold in here, guys.
Balik na ta.
Balik na daw ta. Okay, tignaw na kayo.
Ano man? Layo.
Ay, pero na ano dito, oh, parang restaurant nga doon. What do you think? Dito, no?
Baka mamaya pababa na yun. Nandun na sila. Nandoon na ako sila.
Ayun sila, oh.
Hindi, another batch yan. Another batch.
Ay, oo nga.
Yan, may pababa naman.
Look at those horse riding people, guys.
Ah, nandoon lang sila, pababa? Dito? Hindi ko, siguro nandyan yung parang lake sa ano na yun. Madaming...
Hindi nyo na ba napuntahan yung lake din?
Puntahan.
Pero nakalimutan nyo na. It's been long time that they're here, that they came here. Murag sarado man ting. Murag sarado ilang restaurant. That's it, guys.